Hey there, welcome to this video. This is the fifth video of our 30-day content creation challenge, and in this video we are going to talk about plan your content. So in the last video we talked about the dreams, desires, pain and problems and objections of our customers. So even though we know all those things and we are going to create content around all those things, still it is really important for you to plan your content about what you want to talk about, when you want to talk about, and when is the right time to talk to your customers about that piece of content, and which piece of content your customers need right now and which content they need later in the process or later on in their journey. And that's why we are planning our content right here right now. Okay, so before we go ahead and plan our content, it is really important for you to decide three main topics to decide on which you are going to create content about, so that you don't get distracted, and it will help us to organize content as well. Okay, so here I have decided that I will talk about three topics and how you can choose it. So first of all, I've selected the mindset. So it does not matter which niche you are in or which market you are in. Mindset is something that everybody needs. So it does not matter whether the person have all the knowledge, all the experience, but if that person is not in the correct mindset, that person will not be able to succeed. That's why mindset is the topic that you can choose in almost any market, any niche out there. Okay, so this is the first topic that I selected. Then the second topic that you can talk about is the main topic. So the main topic is something that your audience, your customer will go ahead and execute, take action on, and something that is necessary to do in no matter what, right? So for example, if I take example of fitness, then exercises will be the main topic for me. If I talk about affiliate marketing, strategies, tips and tactics and execution is the main topic for me, right, in affiliate marketing. So this is where you have to go ahead and choose your main topic, that what is your main topic. So for example, if you talk about investment, then doing the right investment, taking action and investing in the right stock, right cryptocurrencies, all these strategies will be your main topic, right? Then here comes the supportive topic. This is the third thing that you need to remember. So supportive topic is all about supporting the main topic. It will help the main topic to do it faster, do it in easier way, or doing it in a better way. So this is the part of the supportive topic. So if I'm talking about fitness as an example, and my main fitness topic is exercises, then diet, supplement and using the right equipment will be supportive topic for me. If I'm talking about affiliate marketing and my main topic is strategies, tactics and tactics and execution, then supportive topic for me will be using the tools and softwares to do the things faster and in easier way and in automated way, right? So all these things will help me to do affiliate marketing in easier and in a faster way. So these are the things that I want to talk about. If you do this, it will clear up your mind and you'll know exactly what are the things that you want to talk about. Okay, so these are the first topics that you need to write. Once you write all these topics, then you have to break down all these topics and you need to think about, okay, what are the things that you can talk about in each of these topics. Here I'm taking the example of fitness. So I've written here mindset topic in fitness, and what are the things that I can talk about in mindset, okay, which can help people to build a better mindset, which will help them in their journey. So first here, it's all about setting up their morning routine, sleep, consistency, patience, long-term goal, motivation, finding the right gym, hiring the right personal trainer, managing their time. All these things comes under mindset, okay? Then second thing here, I am talking about the main topic is my exercises. Then in exercises that I know that I can write about all different body part exercises. So I've written all different body parts and also included cardio, stretching and posing routine as well. So I've written all these things in here: legs workout, shoulder, chest, triceps, back, biceps, core, cardio, stretching, and posing routine. And inside each of these parts, I can write about 6 different exercises. For example, if I'm talking about legs, then I can write about 6 different legs exercises. If I'm talking about shoulders, I can write about 6 different shoulder workouts, right? So this will give you a lot of content ideas. Then I'm talking about supportive topic, which is diet, supplement, and equipment. So when I'm talking about diet, supplement, equipment, I can talk about protein, carbohydrate, fats, vegetarian food, non-vegetarian food, meal preparation, whey protein, pre-workout, post-workout, and all these things, right? So I can talk about a lot of different things in here in my supportive topic as well, diet, supplement, and equipment. Now, if we go ahead and look at all these topics, I have 10 topics in here, okay? And then I have these of 10 topics and each topic has 6. So I have 60 topics here and then I have 20 topics in here. So it all comes down to 20 topics plus 10 topics plus 60 topics. That means I have 90 topics right here. So if I go ahead and create 3 videos every single day, that means I have entire month of content right here. When I brainstorm this, I'm pretty sure you can create multiple different videos on each of these topics, but still if we are just brainstorming right here, we have a lot of topics. And I've got these topics because I've started writing all these things in here. I segmented different things that, okay, in which category this topic lies, and then I've divided all these topics, and that's why I can see clearly. So until you write your own things, until you write things on paper or register or your mobile phone, you will not get the clarity. So that's why it is really important for you to write all these topics down and then break down all these topics into different category wherever these lies, right? So this is what you need to do first. Okay, so let me give you another quick example of affiliate marketing as well. So let's say if we take example of affiliate marketing, then these are different topics that I can talk about affiliate marketing, okay? So in mindset. But when we come about strategies, then I'll think about, okay, as an affiliate marketer, what are the things that people need to learn no matter where they are in their journey, right? So affiliate marketing introduction, where I'll go and teach them what affiliate marketing is and how they can do it. Then niche selection, customer avatar, creating affiliate sales funnel, email marketing, content creation, copywriting, lead generation, traffic generation, social media, multi-product ecosystem, then product testing, reviews, launch jacking, all that stuff. And then when we talk about supportive topic, which in case of affiliate marketing are tools, softwares, and resources, that's where I can talk about, okay, if as an affiliate marketer, I have to create landing pages. What are the different tools and software that I can use? I've written all those tools here, and I can create one video on each of these topics, and sometimes even more videos on each of these topics, right? So this will give me a lot of different content ideas. Just like that, I can talk about email marketing, content writing, video creation, graphics, research tools, and things like that. So this will give me a lot of different content ideas. And like I said, we can even break down these topics as well. For example, in traffic generation, I can talk about organic traffic and paid traffic. Then if I'm talking about organic traffic, I can talk about organic Facebook traffic, YouTube free traffic, Instagram traffic, TikTok traffic. Then I'm talking about when paid traffic, I can talk about Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, pay-per-click, and banner ads. So that's how you can see that if you start writing things, if you start breaking down things one by one, you will get a lot of content ideas out of this. Okay, so this is the first exercise for you that you need to do. First of all, select the 3 topics that you have that you want to create content around. You can go with mindset in almost any topic. Then select the main topic, which is really essential, which is the main subject of your niche that you need to do and people need to do as well. Then third thing is your supportive topic. Supportive topic is basically which will help your main topic to do it faster in an easier way or in a better way. Okay, so that will be a supportive topic. Write all those topics and start dumping your brain here, whatever comes in your mind, just start dumping that idea here and start thinking about, okay, how you can go ahead and use this topic in your content creation journey. Okay, then I have this sheet for you that you can go ahead and use here. So this is the next thing that we want to talk about. Now, if you can think that, okay, Rohit, I can talk about multiple different exercises, but how do I know which exercises that I can talk about right now? If I'm talking about leg workout, which leg workout I can create content about right now? You will be confused by that, right? But here's the thing, guys. Your customers are here right now. They are at point A, where they have a problem, they're struggling with something, they want to get rid of it. And here, the point Z. This is the point Z that they want to go. This is their desired results. So if you want someone to go from point A to point B, point Z, you will not take them directly here, right? Let's say, for example, someone come to you for personal training and they want to lose weight. You will not go with high intensity workout with them on their first day, right? Because if you do that, they will get exhausted, right? You will go ahead and make them do the workout step by step. Initially, you will go ahead and ask them whether they have worked out ever before or not, whether they have joined gym before or not, or whatever their life right now, what are they eating, what is their daily routine schedule is. Then after understanding that, you will give them some beginner level exercises, then when and make them a habit of coming to gym regularly, doing some workout. When they are regular, when they are coming to gym every single day, then you will give them some intermediate level exercises, because then you know that their body is habitual of doing workout, so that you can give them some basic or intermediate level exercises. You will give them some diet plans that they have to follow every single day, and you will make them do the workout using your own training program, and then you can make them follow your diet plan as well. And when they are on intermediate, when you think that they are ready to push harder and take their body to the next level, that's where you will introduce them the intensity workout, high level intensity workout, advanced level workout, because no, you know that they are ready to do it. And then that's where you will go ahead and give them some advanced level supplement. That's where you will go ahead and ask them to go on a hard diet, leave some food on complete basis, because that's where they need to go now. Because like if they want to reach their goal, this is the thing that they need to do. So what we are doing basically is moving our customers step by step and giving them exactly what they need at whatever level they are right now. So beginner level, intermediate level, and advanced level, and that's where you will help them to reach to their desired states in a step by step method. So okay, so this is what we need to do now. So this is what you'll do with this step. So like here, this is where first of all, we will only talk about, first of all, we know that we want to talk about desired results, pain, problems, and objections. And then we want to talk about three different main topics. Uh, first of all, mindset, and then your main topic. And for example, in fitness, it will be exercises, and then the subtopic and example of fitness, it will be diet and supplement, right? So as a beginner, what kind of mindset that they need to have? This is what you write here. Then as an intermediate, what kind of mindset they need to have right now? You will write here all these things. Then to reach to the advanced level and do things extreme in an extreme way, what kind of mindset they need to have? You need to write all these here, okay? Then when we come to exercises, this is what you'll write here, that as a beginner, what are the exercises that they need to do right now? Then when they are ready to move to the next level, this is here you will write about, let's say for example, in the beginner level, you will talk about all different body parts, right? But here you will only talk about basic level exercises for all body parts. Then when we come to intermediate, we again only talk about all the exercises, but we'll only talk about intermediate level exercises for all body parts. So our topic is the same, but just we are making it intensive and whatever they need, right? Then advanced level, again we will talk about all body parts, but then we'll move the intensity up and we'll see that what are the exercises they need to do as an advanced level athlete. Okay, so this is the same thing that you will do with supportive topic. What are the things that they need to do or need to eat as a beginner, what they need to eat as an intermediate, and how you can take their diet and supplement to the advanced level in the next level. Okay, so this is how you need to segment all your topics, and if you do go ahead and do that, you will have a lot of content ideas right here right now. As you have seen here that in the sheet, when we broke down our topic, how many content ideas that we got. And then if you break down each of the, right here we got 90 topics, right? And if you divide each of these topic into 3 more categories, beginner, intermediate, advanced, you will get 3 times more content. That means you will get 270 pieces of content just from this alone. So this is how you will go ahead and plan your content, and you will get more content ideas when you start writing, and then start writing all these things here right in here sheet. So you can download this sheet right from below this video and start writing your own things in this topic, in these things in here. Okay, so this is what you need to do. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we are going to talk about that how you can break down this content creation even more, and how you can create multiple pieces of content from one small piece of content, one small topic. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the part 2 of this plan our content.